Take off my makeup with me, Bowser edition. I am so ready to take this off. This is so heavy and it doesn't even look that good. I'm not really happy with how it turned out. It actually doesn't hurt that bad. Wow, this is the best I've ever looked. Let's take off the lashes and the contacts. I look insane. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Chucky edition. I don't even know where to start. It goes all the way up here. Let's take out the little staples. This is gonna be so gross to take off. Okay, what's next? Let me get my spatula. I did put liquid latex over my eyebrow, so let me do that off camera to make sure it didn't come off. Good news, this eyebrow is good. Oh, I forgot I have this. Ew, how do I even take this off? Okay, I think I can take it off now. Let me do my eyebrow first. Okay, I think that eyebrow is good. So close. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go shower now. This is disgusting. Take off my makeup with me, Five Nights at Freddy's Bonnie edition. I'm really ready to take this off. I'm gonna start with the ears. And now the mouth. Ow. This one kind of hurts. Okay. Ew, that looks terrifying. I have plastic wrap on my head, so I have to get that loose. This is definitely more terrifying than this. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Five Nights at Freddy's Foxy edition. Let me take this off so I can actually see. Okay, I'm gonna start with the ears. Not gonna lie, I think this might be the best one I've done so far. Okay, now we can take off these little hair things. And now the mouth. Let me just take this off. And now the final piece. Let's take off my makeup, Dragon Edition. Let's start with the ears. This was all one piece, so that was actually really easy to take off. It looks like a little hat. Okay, now the lashes. Taking out the contacts now, so look away if you don't like that. Pinky List Oat Cleansing Balm. This is my favorite part about taking off makeup. It's so satisfying when everything just blends together. Take off my makeup with me, Five Nights at Freddy's Puppet Edition. Luckily, this is all one piece, so it should come off pretty easily. This is gonna be so hard to take off. Let's take off my makeup. This isn't my favorite look in the world, but it could be worse. Let's take out the contacts because I am completely blind with these in. Okay, I can see. These white contacts make looks so good, but it just sucks you can't see anything. It makes it really hard to make sure you're in frame. Okay, I put a face mask on my face, which is why it's shiny. So I'm hoping it'll just peel off. I don't think it's fully dry though. Oh, okay. It's gonna come off. Okay, I don't think anything else is gonna come off, so I'm gonna go take the rest off with some makeup remover. Let's take off my makeup. My face feels like rubber right now. I can't really feel my skin. First, let me take off the lashes. My face is actually kind of starting to burn because I never have liquid latex over my entire face. I can't find where it starts. Why can I not take this off? There's actually no edges anywhere. Okay, I got it. That was scary. Okay, let's peel this off. It actually doesn't hurt as much as I thought it would. That's disgusting. And this is what's left of my makeup. I'm gonna use my Drink Elephant cleanser to take this off. I'm gonna take the rest of this off in the shower. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's take off my makeup. I accidentally glued my lips together and it feels really weird. So we're gonna take it off. That is so weird. Let's take this off. I am so ready. Oh. Okay. look like I just had like a cake thrown in my face. I think that's all the latex. These are the remains. They're all crumbled up. I'm gonna go take this off now in the shower. I hope you enjoyed. Take off my makeup with me. I have no idea what to call this. Let me know what I should name it in the comments. Let's take this off. I'm gonna take off the lashes. My phone's on 6%. I really hope I can finish this. Okay, I'm just gonna start dumping all the pearls into this bucket. I'm gonna be finding pearls on the floor after this because I dropped so many when I was doing this look. The chest always hurts for some reason. Okay, I think that's good. It's hard to take them off because everything is so sticky. Let's take off the wig. I totally forgot about that. I'm just gonna see how much I can take off with micellar water. Okay, yeah, I need some oil makeup remover, so I'm gonna take this off in the shower. Let's take off my makeup. Hopefully you guys can guess what this is supposed to be. I'll give you a hint. It's based off a movie that just came out. Let's take off the lashes. Do we think we're gonna be stained green tomorrow? Hopefully not. Oh, I look so cute. I'm gonna use the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. I just bought this, and it's actually one of the best cleansing balms I've ever used, and it's actually really affordable. I just realized I forgot to take pictures. I just love how often that happens. I love this cleansing balm. Look how easy it just melted everything. Okay, so I don't think we're stained green. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna go take the rest off in the shower. Take off my makeup with me, unicorn edition. I cannot talk. My nose is completely covered. I sound crazy. Let's start off with the ears. I literally just glued these to the wig because I was so done with this. The wig. Oh, I got a little bit of glue in it. Okay. Ooh, this hurts. I have a really bad feeling this is gonna rip off some of my eyebrows. Oh, I think the eyebrows are good. Ow, it's in my hair. I look crazy. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, lace edition. I really hope I got all my photos and videos because I really like how this turned out. Let's take off this clown collar thing. This is so freaky. I'm talking and it looks like I'm not. I really don't want to take this off. I really like it. I think this is all gonna come off in one piece, which I am really excited to see. No more talking, let's take this off. That's really freaky. I'm really glad that it all came off in one piece though, because look at that. It's really creepy, but that's pretty cool.